doing?
Mommy.
Good.
What do you want to do today?
Dark game. Shark game.
Yes, are you going to play nice?
Yeah.
Are you going to take turns?
Yeah.
Are you going to listen to mommy?
Yes.
Let's open this up then.
Yes. Yes. Okay, the dark game. The shark mouth. It comes with this. If you land on the number 1 fish, you get 1 fish. If you win 2 fish.
Whoa!
Listen, you get 2.
Yay! Good job, Jason.
My
Now it's Richard's turn.
this
Ooh.
bucket.
Oh,
I
yay!
got this fish.
Move. Other move. Move. Yay!
2. Yes! Yes! Jason got 2. Oh, 1. Wait. Wait this. Ah! The shark closed his mouth.
Okay, so who's the winner?
5. Jason has 5.
So Jason is the winner.